In a world where children are forced to wear leashes, tracking devices are planted into their skin, and they are forced to stay indoors. This is Charles Limbo. We are here at the Duweldenberg residence on Fiddlemashiremeyer Street, and young David, their son, isn't allowed to go outside. He has a tracking device planted into his arm so they can monitor him at all times. We're going to go and interview him. Let's just go in.
So, when did you get David's tracking device implanted?
Well, we told ourselves to wait at least a month. But we couldn't stand it with all his little shenanigans, so we put it in after just 5 days.
I've had my tracking device forever, and I'm not allowed to go outside without my mom and my pops and my helmet.
So, I understand young David doesn't always obey the rules.
Well, you're right there. Well, we've had our difficulties with him because he's a little special guy. And, well, him and his shenanigans just kind of put us on my nerve. So we gotta put our strong hand on him, you know?
Okay, well, thank you very much for your time.
My name is Craig McGregor, and we're here at the Fernandez residence to interview little boy Kirk, who's been put on a leash by his dad, Robbie.
So, Kirk, how do you feel about your parents and your restrictive behavior?
It's them, help me.
What? Can you speak up, please?
Help me.
Help you what?
Help me.
What do you need help with?
It.
Well, Kirk, how do you feel about being walked on a leash?
I don't like it that much. Yeah.
Do they mistreat you at all?
No.
Okay.
Hi, Kirk. Hey. So. No, not the leash, not the leash! Hey! Kirk! Get back there, Kirk!
Good boy, Kirk. That's too far.
Kirk!
Watch yourself.
So now, we're outside of the John Stofferson house. And their little boy, Alfonso, is never allowed to come outside. His dad just keeps him locked up. They don't even go to school. And we're gonna try for an interview with his daddy, Roberto. Here he is now.
Alfonso! I'm gonna get Alfonso.
Well, he'll be right back.
So, Roberto and Alfonso, I understand you two have locking mechanisms on your door.
My name's Alfonso.
Alfonso, what do you think of these locks?
No, I don't like them very much. It makes it really hard to open the door.
Yes. Roberto, what would you see happening if there's an emergency and Alfonso here couldn't get out?
Well, let's ask this question. If there was no locking mechanism on the door, and he was told to get out, what would happen?
I believe he would get out then.
Exactly.
So, what would happen in an emergency if Alfonso here couldn't get out?
If he couldn't get out, he couldn't get out, okay? What are you talking about?
So, Roberto, in the case of an emergency and Alfonso could not get out of the house, then what would happen?
What kind of emergency is it?
Well, say in a fire, or maybe an earthquake or a hurricane.
Thing is, hurricanes don't come here. So, question avoided. But there's fireproof walls, and whatever else you said, it doesn't make sense. So, what?
He's safe.
Yeah.
Yes, that is the purpose of them.
I'm safe.
Child locks are for child, and it's a locking device for it.
Alfonso, what would happen if you got stuck inside?
Then I would be safe.
Well, does that happen often?
No. But I would be safe from the outside.
Are there bad things outside?
Hey, I'm gonna
Yes.
stop questioning my son about my authorities, okay? This is my life, not yours. There's no judging here. There's no judging here. Who said?
Okay, I'm sorry for judging your parental abilities.
My appearance is fine.
Hey, neighbor.
Oh, hey, Carl. Yeah, that's what I thought.
It's Carl.
There's an interview for us tonight.
So, what is your role in this situation?
Well, you see, I am a very concerned neighbor. I am just concerned out of my wits.
Okay, thank you for your
Yes.
time.
Okay.
We've placed a few hidden cameras inside their home to try to document them on their daily life. Let's see what kind of footage we got.
Can I smell smoke?
As you can see, overprotective parents have become a real nuisance in today's society.
In conclusion, we need to be doing our part to get rid of these pests.
Thank you for